Learn to read fun. Subscribe and like.
Hi kids! Today we're going to learn all about the letter I. This is uppercase I, and this is lowercase I. Now the letter I can make two sounds. It can say its short sound, I, like in insect, and its long sound, I, like in ice cream. Let's try them together. Say it with me. I, I, I. Wow! Now let's start with the short I sound first. The short I says I, like in igloo, insect, and ink. Repeat slowly and clearly. I, igloo, I, insect, I, ink. Fantastic! Now for the long I sound, that's when the letter I says its own name. I, like in ice, iron, and island. Say them with me. I, ice, I, iron, I, island. Great job! You're learning both sounds like reading stars. Now, let's do some blending practice with the short I sound. S, it, sit, sit. P, it, n, pin, pin. Ix, fix, fix. Ig, pig, pig. In, tin, tin. Ip, sip, sip. Wow! You blended those words so well. Now let's try some long I words. They sound like I. Sound with me. Ice, kite, time, 9, pie, 5. Now, let's practice writing the letter I together. Grab your finger and write in the air. Start at the top, straight line down, line at the top, line at the bottom. That's big I. Now, little I, straight line down and a dot on top. Perfect! You wrote the letter I. Keep practicing your I words and you'll be reading like a pro in no time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so you can learn more letters with me on Learn to Read Fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.